Hello and welcome back to the Brodeurland Show. I'm so glad you're here. Today's topic on the Brodeurland Show is initiative. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Now, a lot of times I feel like we find ourselves, including myself, waiting for opportunity to happen, right? Waiting for that time to occur. Quit waiting. It's time to start doing. Taking initiative is all about putting things into motion, taking action. Now, it's also scary and it takes courage, right? But here's the deal. If nothing's happening, if nothing's coming your way, it's time to build your own door. It's time to build your own idea. It's time to build your own thoughts and really see what you can do and take some action. Really see what's going to occur. You see, taking initiative is all about an adventure, right? It's the spark that starts the adventure. And as that adventure goes on, you'll be able to go back and go, wow, look at the spark that happened. Look where I am now. And look at all this growth that's occurred because I was willing to knock at the door. I was willing to build the door. I was willing to do something, to put something into motion, to get my life rolling so I can become that best version of myself. So always remember, you make each day a special day by just you being you. There's no one in the whole world like you except you. And I like you just the way you are. It's good that you exist, but you got to go out there. You got to take the initiative. You got to set that spark on your life mission to find that success and really make a difference in your life. So you, yes, you can become that best version of yourself. So until next time, Broder out. Peace.